Hello, this is Arlie Brown here to talk about my final submission for Project Dazzle. But first, I would like to talk about some things that I've done this past month. I successfully created Tic Tac Toe in a manner that I was inherently satisfied with. I also made a resume, also in a manner that I was inherently satisfied with. I learned how to use timers and such to make animals, which was pretty neat, especially when my lemur turned out awesome. And I want to talk about now the final submission. Alright, here I have my level. May take a second to load. Here we have my lemur, as you may remember from the last video. Here is Robert Delgado's Roomba, going around collecting trash around the zoo. And Lloyd Jarrell's gator, that has found what it needed to find. I'd like to go into the code. Actually, let me pull it up real quick. Jarrell. Lloyd gave me permission to mess with his code to optimize his gator for... This is the wrong script. For a smaller environment. Which is right here. It essentially just gave me a smaller, or gave the gator a smaller distance to work with. And when Rob's stuff trash is collected, he goes into the corner to recharge. So let's go over documentation. Here's my Trello. This is my Trello card for this assignment with my documentation. My YouTube video from the past. I forgot to add some things, so that link will be updated. And my feature sheet. I got Rob's level and put his character into mine. I moved it to a suitable position to make room for the alligator. I also scattered trash around the area, also to leave room for the alligator. Excuse me. And tested it to make sure it worked. It did, which was good. Then I brought Lloyd's animal into my level, made an enclosure for it, changed the code as seen earlier to make sure that the animal works as needed, made sure the animal worked, and I optimized it to look like a zoo, which I will go over in the level documentation. Here is the exit of the level beforehand. The level name is Zoo. The external area would probably be the parking lot. And it is an outdoors environment with the purpose to introduce animals to people. The exit conditions is to exit the area, which this is the exit. The size of the area using ground and a vector 3 is 56 by 0.5 by 0.8, by 8.1, no point in that 8.1. The garbage cleaning time is about 40 seconds. The trash is tagged NPC item. The entrance is at the top of the map, which is also where the exit is. The Roomba is gray, the lemur was red, and the lizard is green. Other descriptions it's used for being inside of the zoo. Uh, the areas most applicable for this place is the zoo. There's no event triggers and no interactions, and its behavior, the player's behavior, that's what I'm assuming it means, is to hang out with animals. The theme is zoo animals. Now here's where I got my inspiration for the level. La Selva and Wild Florida. I just combined them, made it Gator Monkey Land, essentially. And uh, it kind of worked out like that. That's my explanation. Here is the source of the image, and here is that YouTube video that I messed up. What was it? And here is my feature sheet. I don't think I need to describe that. I believe that is everything. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.